Northeastern Japan was hit by a magnitude 7.2 earthquake at around 6 p.m. local time on Saturday. A tsunami advisory was issued for Miyagi Prefecture, but it was lifted after about an hour and a half. Some local municipalities have declared evacuation orders along coastal areas and opened evacuation centres. As of 7:30 p.m, there were no reports of fatalities, but officials in Miyagi Prefecture say 3 elderly people are injured. The focus of the quake was 60 kilometres off the prefecture. It registered an intensity of 5+ on the Japanese seismic scale of 0 to 7. Officials at nuclear power stations in the Tohoku region, including the Fukushima Daiichi plant, have not reported any problems.